Okay, so I'm just gonna record because my grandma keeps saying weird ass shit. So I think it's funny as hell. So right now we're going to the DMV to transfer her title to me because she's selling me her car. Family discount. And yeah. So anyway, we went there already and she didn't bring her freaking title. So we had to go back home, and now we're the second time. This is the second trip now. But what's going on, Grandma? What is like all these crazy sayings?
I don't know. When you're 70 some years old, you've got a lot of little sayings that you've saved up.
She said she feels like the cat's ass today because she has a new car and now she wants to take it on a road trip. She's itching for a road trip.
Take it somewhere, a little junket.
A little junket. What the fuck is that? I never heard of that either. What was the other one that you said?
Don't get your bowels in an uproar.
I was like, oh my god, I can't believe we have to go home like for this and then go back. And she's like, don't get your bowels in an uproar. What?
Life's too short, baby.
Life's too short. You heard it here. Life's too short to get your bowels in an uproar.
Right.
What else is going on? She found a kitten. Tell him that story.
He just came to my door on a very rainy Friday. Just showed up at my door.
How'd you, was he meowing or something?
He was just there, like he was coming to visit me. Yeah. So, of course, I let him in. Poor little thing, it was pouring the rain.
Okay, so my grandma thought it was a girl this whole time. And I went over to her house and I'm like looking and I'm like, he has some huge balls. Like, this is not a girl. And now she can't stop calling him a she. So we need some cat names that are unisex because she can't.
He's a tabby. So something that fits a tabby.
Yeah, we need some name suggestions. But what else? Ryan and I are looking for houses. We just got pre-approved, so that's really exciting. And
everybody's having changes. Changes.
Yeah.
Right?
We are having changes. So time to face the change. Changes. Shut up, Justin Bieber. And so we're going to look at houses today with our realtor. It's our first time. We just got pre-approved 2 days ago. Mm-hmm. So we're actually gonna go look in some houses.
Exciting.
I'm super excited. I can't wait to decorate. Got so many pins. I hope the backyard, my one thing that I really hope is like the backyard is fire.
You want a little piece of property. Yeah.
Well, I just hate sitting inside all day. Like, it's so boring.
Exactly.
I want a pool, but Ryan doesn't want a pool because of all the maintenance.
Ryan is the smart one.
No. He's the realist, I guess, and I'm like,
yes, he is.
The dreamer. I want a pool and
sorry about that.
Oh my god.
Well, I want to get through this light if I
She can't drive. But he's like the practical one. Are you gonna hit the car or?
Yeah.
What is going on with this hair?
That's usually the way it is. One with a couple, one is more practical and the other one is the dreamer.
Yeah. So So hopefully we get what we want. We want like a 3-bedroom at least, 2-bathroom.
Yeah, that's
Something
wise.
with like a decent backyard. Fenced would be good because I want a dog someday.
Or not, because you're not. One thing you have to know going in that you're not going to get everything you want.
Well,
We're
yeah.
going to be making some concessions.
Yeah, we got a pretty good pre-approval number, so we weren't thinking we were gonna get that. So we can probably get a lot of the things we want, which is exciting.
Yeah.
So yeah, we're looking in Waimama because it's so freaking cheap, and you can get a huge, nice, updated, brand new house there for like $210,000, $230,000. So that's like nice. And then Bradenton, because that's where his family lives, and it's just a really nice area. So yeah, I'm looking for a deal though. Like I'm always the one to look for a deal. I don't want to just.
Yes.
I'd rather do like a resale, but.
Oh, you don't need anything new.
Yeah, I don't want new because new is going to be more expensive.
Well, the thing is, then you've got to.
Then you have to pay the entire. There's no negotiating with new. Like
Actually, there is negotiating, but you know.
But there's not much.
Yeah.
So we'll see. I don't know. The good thing about new is like it's clean. You're the first people to live there. You did like nobody was living there with 40 cats, so.
Yeah.
But we'll be the ones living there with 40 cats. Just kidding. We have 2 cats.
Anything that's like 10, 15 years old, if it hasn't been abused, it'll, like this car.
Yeah, it's true.
Perfect example.
Yeah, and Ryan's house. Ryan's family is selling their house, and their house is 15 years old, and it's in like pristine condition. I've kept everything just really nice. So yeah, you can get an older house that's hasn't been beat up. That would be fine. I'm super open to it. So we'll see where our realtor takes us today. It's like raining. It sucks. Look at this weather. But hopefully it won't be raining in Waimama. We'll see.
Sure you have umbrellas.
I'm in Hudson right now, or we're driving to Newport Richey because we're going to the DMV. So, what else, Grandma? What else?
Well, we got some other little errands to do. I need to get mats, floor mats for my car. You need to order some.
Yeah, they're called WeatherTech mats. If you don't have them in your car, I would highly suggest getting them. They look fire. They look so dope, and they're
save your car.
They totally save your car.
Wait a minute. Did I miss? Jesus. Or did I? No, I didn't.
She's
It's down
confused.
there. Yeah.
Well, that's the update of my life. My dad and his fiance are. What?
I'm talking to myself.
You're talking to yourself?
Right by.
So what, do we have to turn around?
Yeah.
So anyway, before I was so rudely interrupted.
Oh dear. Close up.
My dad and his fiance are moving to. Where are they moving? On the beach. They got a condo on the beach, so they just sold.
Isn't it Indian Rocks? Is it Indian Rocks?
Yeah, Indian Rocks. somewhere around there.
It's nice there. That's my favorite area over there. That
Yeah.
and St. Pete Beach.
Yeah, it's close to St. Pete.
Right above.
So, yeah, they're Airbnb-ing for God knows how long because they sold their house, but now...
That's a good thing. You know?
No, it's a good thing because they sold their house.
Yeah.
But now they're just waiting for the condo to finish
Be done.
getting built.
Yeah.
So
To be done.
they're in limbo. Ryan and I are staying at his parents' house, so we're in limbo until we find a house and get it. And then my mom and her husband are in Chicago for 4 months for his job. So everybody's like all over the place. Everything's going crazy. I'm getting a new car, or I'm getting a house soon. It's like I'm growing up and it's weird. But yeah. Thanks for watching, and there's my update.